today we launched the campaign Forming TVET, Skills for Life. We all know that there is an increasing number of young people who are unemployed, and we also have many people who are struggling to get certification in skills that they possess. So today is very significant because one of our agenda is to revitalize education, and in revitalizing education we are looking at the skills capacity that are available within our young people so that we can use that as opportunities for them to contribute to the wealth creation for Turkana. The position of those TVETs are organized to tap into the great potential that exists in Turkana. Kalakol Vocational Training Center and Kataboy are well positioned to tap into the blue economy in trying to making sure that young people within the lake or the riparian communities also benefit. The one in Kaleng and part of North, those are pastoralist areas, so we're looking at into increasing capacity for skills on livestock production and care. Then we also have the one in Turkana South and Turkana East. Those are potential areas for food production. And then within Kakuma and Lokichoggio, we are tapping into the nationalities that are within Kakuma, and also as part of an integration program between the local youth and the refugee community, that is a refugee and host community together.
We did also research with them in this county under life skills and values, and we came again with the issue of TVET rebranding, and we say, how are we going to empower our youth other than skills? We say the only thing is to empower youth through joining the VTCs. And we took advantage that since the government has muscle, as infrastructure, as human capitation, as human capital, what else should we do? We incorporate with the county government, because these are devolved functions, for us to have high enrollment in our institution for them to benefit. Because in our county, we have so many projects coming. We have the LAPSET, we have the A1 road, we have the oil and gas that we are exploring. So the only way for us to empower our youths is to get skills from our VTCs and TVETs.
I work at CEC Audan Foundation as the program manager responsible for whole youth development program, where we work with TVETs across the country. CEC Audan Foundation does a lot of research in the area of education, and one of the programs, as I've mentioned, working with TVETs, we discovered that there is a lot of wastage. We have so many TVETs, but young people are not going to TVETs. Why? What is the reason? And that's why, working together with the Ministry of Education, we came up with this project, which is called Rebranding TVETs, making it possible for both partners as well as young people to go to see the value of TVETs, and so to go to those TVETs. And why are we doing this? So as to ensure the opportunity that is given by both the national government as well as TVETs, county governments, does not go to waste. We've had here in Turkana, and really we need to applaud the county government of Turkana for setting aside 15,000 shillings for every trainee who joins a TVET. And that's not the only money. They also have put aside CDF and bursaries. So it's just for the young people to go there, get a skill and move on with their lives. With these skills, we know they can be self-employed or get employed in the opening opportunities. We have the housing projects, but many other things which require skills.